Welcome to our minimalist art journey. Today we're turning simple elements into stunning wall art for your home. Dive into the essence of minimalism with us, where clean lines, serene landscapes, and abstract forms transform simplicity into sophistication. Let's gather our canvas for creativity. A set of vibrant acrylic paints, perfect for bringing our minimalist designs to life with rich colors and subtle nuances. Next, we have premium canvas panels, the ideal smooth and sturdy foundation for our artistic expressions, ensuring each stroke translates perfectly to art. And for the grand finale, a selection of sleek minimalist frame sets awaits, ready to give our finished pieces a polished, gallery-worthy appearance. These frames not only protect our art, but also enhance its minimalist vibe, seamlessly integrating into any decor style. Embark on the creative process with us. Start with geometric shapes for bold simplicity, then capture the tranquility of nature in a monochrome landscape. And finally, let loose with abstract lines for a dynamic composition. Each step is a testament to minimalist beauty. Our journey culminates in choosing the perfect frame, an essential step that elevates our art from beautiful to breathtaking, ensuring it captivates and complements any room. In minimalism, every line, every color, and every frame tells a story. Share your minimalist art stories with us, and let's continue to inspire creativity together. Don't forget to subscribe for more adventures in art and design. Together, let's transform spaces with elegance and simplicity.